Southerners, those from Michigan, you know what a pothole is. But South Floridians, yeah, it's cold out. Something you forget when you're packing your suitcase and you're in 80-degree weather and you go, oh my gosh, yes, it's going to be November in Birmingham and it's kind of cold, so lots of sweater.
Well, let them see this going up this hill is pretty. You can't tell on the camera though how steep a hill is, you know.
Yeah. This one is really steep. The first time I drove it, I actually thought the car was going to go backwards. I thought, I'm going to have to walk up there. I don't know how people get up this hill. But after a few times, it got to be kind of fun. So, guys, we're going to take you up the hill here.
Yeah, when the light changes.
This is kind of the medical epicenter
of
Birmingham.
Hang on, we gotta make it here. We'll never make it. Alright. Now I'm driving like my buddy. Alright, this one isn't too bad. It's the next one.
Here it comes. Rolling around the mountain.
Do you got your helmet on?
Yeah, I got my helmet on. It's called hair. Okay, so here we go up. Now watch as you turn up here.
Have to put new squirrels in this car.
Here, I'm going to give you a picture of you from up here where we are. Beautiful Birmingham, Alabama. And the school. Our favorite parking spot. Okay, day one, guys. Here we go. Pregnancy, mommy and me, MLD.